Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. The company Eveellyn that has sent me eye patches, really nice eye patches I might add, from Amazon, has asked me to show you some new little blushes that they have. They're super cute. This is the packaging, the box. They sent me two different colors. This is Royus Smooth Blush. That's what it says here. It is by the company Eveellyn. And it was shrink wrapped, and I took that off so that I could show you. And the other box looks just about the same. They just have a different color number on top. So let's see what they look like. They're really adorable. These are them, okay? So this is number 3, and number 3 is called Pinup Girl. Super cute blush. It's a liquid blush. And then number 4, oh, did I get that backwards? Maybe I got that backwards. Hang on. Number 3, this is called Cream on Lips. Sorry about that. And number 4 is called Pinup Girl. Okay, it's on the bottom also. I didn't realize it was on the bottom. Okay, this liquid blush, it's natural, long-lasting liquid blush, cruelty-free, dewy finish liquid blush for cheeks, moisturizing, lightweight feel, soft cream blush, and it's in a cool pink. And then they have a couple different colors, like I said, and I just think it's adorable. Look at how cute that little container is. So it looks like, let's open it up and I'll show you. It has a little doe foot, and it really is not for your lips, it's for your cheeks. And the way that they show it is to put it on your cheeks, a little bit like that, and just blend it in with your fingers. Or you can use a sponge or something if you want to. All right, this one is the Cream on Lips. And it's supposed to last a long time. It's will defy the heat, and it won't come off until you wash it off. I might have put on a little too much, but I sort of did that on purpose so you could see it, because I don't know that you all naturally see my blush. So, all right, that's number 3, which is Cream on Lips. I just think that little container is absolutely adorable. Okay, number 4, Pinup Girl, is darker. You can see it's darker. So let's see what that one looks like. Again, the same kind of lid there. Super cute. Let's go over this side. I don't really use liquid blushes very often. So I usually put, because I'm older, I usually put blush up a little bit higher. So I like this one better than this one. This one, well, now this one's a little too light for me. Or maybe I need to put more on. Okay, let me put a little bit more on the other. I like this. Well, maybe because I have on dark lips too. You know, I didn't think about that. But let's put this, maybe I can cover up some of my age spots. But see how light it is? So this might be, and I have light skin basically. But as I get older, I have some more and more age spots. So it is pretty. It's pretty, the light pink. But I do think I prefer this darker. So, but it's pretty. And it went on very, very smooth, and it feels comfortable on my skin. And they say that it will last all day. So very nice. I like it. I like it. What do y'all think? Aren't they adorable? So I'll put the link below if you're interested. And it's Royus, R-O-Y. Let me see if I can show it to you. Okay. See, the light gets in the way. And then it's just, I think it's distributed by the Eveellyn. And they're just really nice people. Every now and again, they send me an email and ask me if I want to show something. So I was like, well, sure, I'll show it. Just super cute. I mean, you know what you can do with this is throw this right in your purse, you know, so it's super cute. Thank you, Eveellyn, for sending these over to me. They're on sale right now. They're $7.99 up each. Regularly $9.99. I don't know how long it's 20% off, and I'm not sure how long that'll stay that way. And it says that every skin tone can use this, which should be true. Really, anybody can use it depending on what you like and your skin tone, and they do have different colors. So they're there. Thank you so much for stopping by and seeing what I got from Eveellyn. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.